Hi there and welcome to this special Nature of Flowers video where I'm going to show you how to make a flower based hexiflexigon inspired by V-Heart on the YouTube channel. Okay, to do this you're going to need to have some photographs of flowers and some triangles. What you do is you fold the triangles all together to make this beautiful little triangle shape, which you then unfold and you get like a different flower, and you're like, okay, so there's a flower on one side and a flower on the other side. That's pretty cool. What would happen if I do it again? Whoa, a third flower? How is that even possible? So you do it again and you get back to the first flower, and again and again, and you keep folding it and folding it. Now you can turn the whole thing over and you can see it's all back to front. So you fold that and you get back to front flowers. You're like, okay, turn it over and then they're around the right way. Very, very confusing but very fun. Okay, to make this you're going to need to do some work on the computer, which I'll show you in a different video. And once you've done the work on the computer, you should have something that looks like this, which is your net, which you're going to be making the shape out of. Okay, and once you've got that, I'll then tell you what to do. So you'll need a pair of scissors. You'll need to carefully cut out your net using the scissors. And you'll notice I'm cutting half the flowers off at the bottom. We don't need those anymore. They can go over there, and we'll cut the other top bit off as well. I'm cutting along the black line here. Now it's good fun making three-dimensional works of art as well as just animations on the computer. So we'll cut that bit off there. Now you should notice when I'm doing this that there is two white triangles, one there and one at the other side. They're really important because they're going to be glued together in a minute. So we cut along this triangle here, and we cut along this triangle here. And make sure it's a nice little triangular shape there. And then we do the same thing on this side, so we cut along this triangle here. There we go, and then along this one here. And we won't need those bits. So this is what we're going to be left with. A long shape with all the pictures of flowers. You'll notice there's a pattern in the flowers. It goes red, dandelion, daisy, red, dandelion. So that would repeat forever. And it repeats along the top at the same order. So daisy, dahlia, dandelion, like that, okay? So then what we do is we fold it in half along the middle so that we make a long, thin shape like so. Okay, make sure it's nice and even, squish it together, and there you have it. Okay, now we need to keep the red bits together, so if we fold over on the third line here, you'll see that the red flower, the dahlia, comes around and we fold that down like that. Okay, you see that? And then we fold it over and we're going to do the same thing again, and we're going to have the other part of the dahlia here, and then this bit should go under here. So I'll do that slower. So you fold it over, so you've got the flower there, fold it over and tuck this bit underneath the first bit, so it's like that, okay? And you've got this one bit sticking out here. So you turn it over and you have one bit sticking out there. This is where it gets a little bit tricky. You fold this piece back here like so. You fold this piece over like so, so you've got the two white pieces next to each other now. So that one's been folded over and folded over twice. You then get a little bit of glue, and you put the glue on the white section here. And you can put a bit on there as well. And where you've got this loose bit underneath, I'd always put a bit of glue in there as well. So then you glue all that together, so you flip this bit over, so it glues down there, and that's glued. And now you can see you've got one flower and the reverse on the other flower. So then what you need to do is fold it upwards and inwards so that the open bits here are at the top. So we fold that one like that, we fold it there, so we fold that one like that, and then we fold it there. Be really careful to get the folds right. and we can fold it over like that. So we've got a really small little triangle. Then we unfold it, and we do the hexiflexigon, where we flip it, and we pop it, and we flip it, and we pop it, and we flip it. So this can work with any shapes, and then you can have all sorts of fun with these hexiflexigons. Okay, so thank you very much V-Heart for the idea, and I'd like to see some really exciting versions of this. And if you want to do it the other way, you can always just print out some plain white triangles, and you can draw on it and make your own versions that way. So that's what we've done. Have fun making your own and enjoy it. And coincidentally, this is my 200th video on YouTube. So thank you everyone for watching me. And I hope you enjoyed this sort of low-tech, high-tech hexiflexigon thing. Okay, thanks for watching and goodbye.